Well, BJP's coalition partner in Tripura, the Indigenous People's Front of Tripura, or the IPFT, has renewed its demand for Greater Tripura land. Well, as part of this, the IPFT is all set to join hands with the Pradyot Debarman-led Tripura Motha in New Delhi to stage a protest and push for the separate state demand. And this was disclosed by IPFT Assistant General Secretary Mangal Debarma. The IPFT said that members of the party as well as other allied organizations would be going to Delhi on the 14th of November for this very purpose. Debarma also confirmed that the Tripura Motha, Tripraha as well as other parties and organizations, including civil society bodies, would be joining the agitation at the national capital.
From IPFT party and our all allied organization, that is IWFT, IPFT, Atishad, the Prafankak Badal, and other all organization, we are going to Delhi coming November 14, 2021 for joint movement Tripraland, that is separate state, full-fledged separate state. That's why this year we form IPFT party and other those like-minded party, that is Tripura Motha, Tripraha and other NGOs, individuals, those who are supporting our Tripraland or separate state, they also be joined with us on 14 November 2021. We will gather at Jantar Mantar for sitting demonstration, that is for deputation to the Prime Minister, Home Minister and Donor Minister and Tribal Welfare Minister, etc.
And well, Mangal Debarma also maintained that the IPFT and the Tripura Motha are on the same page as far as the Greater Tripura land demand is concerned.
Actually, since 2009, we formed IPFT party demanding Tripraland and arranging the sit-in demonstration at Jantar Mantar. Last 2 years, 2019 and 2020, due to pandemic coronavirus, we can't possible to gathering there. That's why this year 2021 we think, though Tripura Motha also demanding separate state, that is Greater Tripraland based on Article 3, Constitution Article 3. That's why they also demanding separate state, we also demanding separate state. That's why the issue is same. We are same issue. That's why we think that it is better for our Tripura people if we gather together with Tripura Motha and other like-minded political parties, NGOs, individuals, and our demand separate state, it should be solved. Those who are supporting Tripraland, they may be political party, maybe NGOs, maybe individuals, they all are requested by IPFT to join with us. That's why we jointly conducting movement there.
And meanwhile, in a significant statement, the IPFT leader maintained that the party is unaware of the BJP status when he was asked if the Saffron Party is aware of the Delhi agitation.
Inform the BJP about this joint movement.
Actually, BJP and IPFT is just forming government. We are just governing. The ideology BJP and the ideology of IPFT is separate. We just take decision from our IPFT party as per ideology that we supporting Tripraland. That's why they know or does not know. It is not clear because it is our party decision that we will go to Delhi for movement, jointly movement. They are known or unknown, not sure.
And well, on the other hand, we have reactions coming in from a Union Minister and BJP leader, Pratima Bhaumik. The Union Minister maintained that the BJP and the IPFT are two separate entities having separate agendas. Bhaumik clearly said that the BJP does not endorse the idea of Greater Tripura land.
IPFT अलग संगठन है, उसका आपका पार्टी का अलग संगठन है, हमारे पार्टी का अलग संगठन है। एक साझा कार्यक्रम के तहत हम लोग एक साथ आए हैं। हम जॉइंटली सरकार के आने के पहले हम इलेक्शन के पहले हम जोट किया है और अच्छा रहा, सफल है। हम 44 सीट हम लोगों को मिला है। तो इसके चलते अलग त्रिपुरालैंड का हमारा उनका एजेंडा है, वो हमारा एजेंडा नहीं है। हम कॉमन मिनिमम प्रोग्राम से हम चल रहे हैं। उनका एजेंडा लेके वो कोई भी जा सकता है, वो स्वतंत्र है। लेकिन हम लोग त्रिपुरा लैंड के साथ एकमत नहीं है, वो आप सब जानते हैं।